I'm Dawn, and I know it should be called an unboxing or an unpackaging, but I'm too impatient for that, so they've already been opened. I've already combined all my toolkits into one package. There we go. Yeah, all of my toolkits are in one package with the wax. This stack is 6 that I ordered from. These are from PaintMaster, and they were pay the shipping and you get them free. So I bought 6 of them, and I haven't tried any of them yet, but there's this rose, and it didn't mention it being a partial, but it is, and all of them, bar one, they all say they are 30 by 40 centimeters, and none of them are. The rose is actually 25 and a half by 26 centimeters. And this sunflowers, and that one's a full one, and it's 24 by 33 and a half. This one I wanted to buy because I think it was a 20 by 20 that I got from Diamond Art Club, so I wanted to see what it would look like bigger, and this said it was 30 by 40. I said, well, maybe it will be big enough to show some detail. No, it's actually only 22 by 32, so yeah, that went out the window, but I don't know, it might look the same as what my first one did. So we'll see about that. And this tiger with the pretty blue eyes, he is 34 by 24. And I don't know if I learned this right or not, but I seem to recall as a child they taught us that when you're measuring something, you go across the top first and then down. So that's how I've got my measurements. But this one is called Celadon, and it is 34 by 24. That's the closest to being right. But yeah, I thought that was really cute with the little old-fashioned kitchen thingies in it. And this is the only one. This kit came with tweezers, and it's a partial, but it's for special drills and stuff. So there's only, I think, 6 colors, or no, 9 diamonds in here, 9 colors or shapes or whatever. So that should be fun. Something different and short and something new. I haven't done a partial with big special drills yet, so I've been wanting to try that. So yeah, that's PaintMaster. I don't know how you feel about having shortage, the sizes and things like that, but I don't know, it's kind of annoying when I wanted to have something bigger for that one cat, but oh well. I haven't had a chance to really look at the symbols yet. I don't really notice if they're okay or not until I start doing it, but they look relatively okay. And there's 9 for the elephant, 23 for the celadon, 18 for the tiger, 10 for the cat, 23 for the sunflowers, and 15 colors for the rose. So I would think it would be pretty hard to screw those up, knock on wood. So I'm hoping they will be clear and easy to see. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying those. And like I said, that's PaintMaster. They have the thing going on for just the shipping, so I don't know if you want to check them out or not. Also, when I was taking a break from doing that Starry Night, whatever it's called, I couldn't take it anymore. I had to take a rest, so I decided to do a snack size one, and I'm not Joel's not being rough with it. But I did this one as a snack size to get a break from the big one. And this is the one from, it was Paint with Diamonds. I was thinking it was Diamond Art, but it's not. But it's Paint with Diamonds, and yeah, it only took me about 3 nights, I think, but I don't work all out. But yeah, and I haven't decided if I'm gonna change out these dark colors, because they just don't look right. And in the forum, Mrs. Coffee and Rachel Ray, I posted a picture of this because the grid was so hard to read. There's like 31 colors in this little tiny thing, and most of them are right in here, and they were so close to each other I couldn't tell what they were, most of them. So take that one with a grain of salt. But yeah, so I did that one in between for a break. And then, the PaintMaster ones, I know that you're getting something. I ordered them on May 3rd. They shipped on May 8th, and they arrived here on June 17th. And for 6 of them with only shipping, it was $42, so it wasn't horrible, so I'll have to give them a go. And I've never used them before, so let's see what they come up with quality. And before that, I ordered from ShopAnyDeals. I've seen some people asking about them, and I ordered these 2 on May 17th. It was my husband's birthday, and I asked him, "Can you buy me something?" So I ordered them on his birthday on May 17th, and they arrived on June 9th, before the PaintMaster ones even arrived. But he likes koi fish, so I told him I would do one for him. So I got this big koi fish, and and then I got this tiger hiding behind the grass, and they're both listed as being 85 by 45. But the fish is actually 39.5 by 79.5, and the tiger is the same, 39.5 by 79.5. So it's pretty close, and they were only $15 each, so that wasn't horrible. So with the shipping was $8.99, so $39 for 2 big, good-sized paintings, and they look fairly easy to read. I guess the true test will be when I have to, but nice sparkly canvas and everything. They look nice. Neither company was very good with the shipping, though. They put them in the bubble mailer envelopes and crushed them. So yeah, I'm still trying to get these to lay out. I don't want to bend the backrest, but I did buy a pool noodle to roll them over. Might have to do that anyway, just to get the rest of the wrinkles out. But I wanted to share those with you, even though I was too impatient to wait to get the camera out to unbox them for you. So all in all, they I think I like the ShopAnyDeals better, because they have some really nice big 85 by 45 paintings. They have a yellow bed of fighting fish that I really want so bad, and he's same size for $15 as well, so might have to talk my husband into getting me him soon. But yeah, that's what I have for unboxing today, and I'm currently working on a square one that my husband bought for me. just of his own accord. It's too hard to see now. I've got it covered up properly so I don't dry it out. But so I will post pictures or show you that when that one's done. And this square is going a lot easier. It was from Easy Whim, and surprisingly, it's going pretty well. The true test will be when I finish it to see if any of the drills pop off like my Paint with Diamonds one square did. But if you have any questions or comments or anything like that, feel free to leave it below for me. And if you wouldn't mind, please subscribe, like, and share, and help me to grow my channel. I really, really appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching my video, and have a great day.